Hello, sir. This is the third video. In this video, I will tell you how to set app. Okay. Firstly, download the app store. This is the 6P. This is iPhone 6s model number. Okay, app store. Download here. Okay. Okay, here. Search this. Okay, now I have downloaded, so I ignore this step. Okay, now this I have downloaded this app. Click. If you are the first user, you need to register. I have registered information. Cardot is username. This is passwords. Okay, remember. Login. Yes. Okay. Now you need to you need to setting some necessary information. Click setting. Oh, sorry. Click car. Add devices. Okay. I have added devices. Edit. Okay. SN. This number. This SN number. Okay. Now this is plate number. Your car number. Okay. Your car plate number. This one. This arm. Okay. Now SM. This is SM card. This. Insert this number. SM number in here. Number. Operation passwords. The default password was 888848. Okay. Now this is contact number. You need to set two numbers at least. 1, 2. Maybe this number is this mobile number. This is another number. Okay, another mobile number. Okay. Click save. Okay, please enter SM number. Okay, SM. Okay. Okay. Okay, I forget the number. Wait. Okay. Okay. No. Yes. This. Yes, it's a number. Save. Yes. Notice. Save successful. Okay. No. Arm. Disarm. Yes. Arm. Yes. Arm. Success. Yes. Send. Yes. Start. Off. Now. Okay. Stop. Shut down engine. Sorry. Yes. You will hear B from click send. Stop engine. Okay. Now this is signal icon. You need to operate this arm disarm and start under the signal mode. This is SM's mode. Don't use this mode because this mode and SM information is denied. It's denied. Maybe you will wait almost some minutes to get a message. This mode. Okay. You need to locate your motorcycle outside of your house. Okay. Outdoor. Don't test GPS location indoor. Okay. Please remember. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.